Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the gems among today's products.
And today, we have something truly remarkable for all you home enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of outdoor comfort and style with the BOOSANT 72 ceiling fan.
Let's jump right in.
Now, let me tell you why this is the best big outdoor ceiling fan on the market today.
First and foremost, it's all about the size.
At a whopping 72 inches, this fan isn't just a breeze, it's a whirlwind of comfort.
Whether you're on your patio, in your farmhouse, or simply relaxing in your living room,
this fan ensures that every corner of your space is kissed by a refreshing breeze. But size isn't the only thing that sets the BOOSANT 72 apart.
It's also about the craftsmanship. Crafted from top-quality solid wood, each blade of this fan exudes elegance and durability. And with its sleek dark walnut finish, it seamlessly complements any outdoor decor. Now, let's talk about convenience. With the included remote control, adjusting this fan is as easy as a push of a button. You can choose from 6 different wind speeds, set a timer for automatic shutoff, and even change the direction of the airflow. It's like having your own personal breeze butler. And speaking of convenience, installation is a breeze too. With detailed instructions and 3 different downrods included, setting up this fan is a straightforward task. Plus, it's suitable for both indoor and covered outdoor spaces, making it versatile for any environment. Now, let's talk about efficiency.
Thanks to its DC motor, this fan not only delivers powerful airflow but also does so with minimal energy consumption. In fact, it's 75% more efficient than traditional AC motors, helping you save on your energy bills while keeping your space cool and comfortable. But don't just take my word for it.
Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. So there you have it, folks.
The BOOSANT 72 ceiling fan, the epitome of comfort, style, and efficiency. Whether you're looking to upgrade your outdoor oasis or enhance your indoor ambiance, this fan is sure to make a statement.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, stay cool and keep discovering.